up, guys? It's Thursday, about 2:30. I'm heading home from work today. Seems like I always wear this shirt whenever we do something with the Civic. So, I mean, I guess it's one of those days. Last night I forgot to record. I went and picked up a new SI harness for the EG, uncut and super clean with an ignition harness because our whole entire harness was bad. So we're actually on our way home right now to go install that. I'm gonna go move the car over, and then we're gonna wait for Christian to go home. We're gonna start putting the harness together, and it should be a good night tonight. Hopefully we get the car started this weekend. IFO is in 2 weeks, and we're kind of starting to push it. I guess there's a SoCal Honda meet in 3 weeks or so, so hopefully we get the car ready for IFO. We can put it on a trailer and get it ready for the meet out there, and hopefully we can start traveling with this car. So I'll update you guys when I get home. We're finally home. I gotta get the car moved over on the jack since the thing doesn't roll. Or it rolls, but it's just heavy. It's annoying to push by myself. Here's the harness. I'm actually looking forward to putting this together, and hopefully it all works out. It's just weird how the grounds are working with the key off. You turn the key and the ground stopped working, and the fuel pump doesn't work, and it's just a hassle, bro. But she's looking good. We're getting super close. Hopefully we make IFO. If not, we're gonna see if we're gonna see. Oh yeah, we got the car moved over. It's dirty because it just sits like last year. But anyways, car's moved over. I'm just waiting on Christian to get home, and then hopefully we can put this harness together, see, test it, make sure the fuel pump's turning back on again. Make sure the grounds are working, get all the fuse boxes put back together, ignition, put the seat back together, the dash, everything. Hopefully we can get it done tonight, see what's going on, and hopefully we can get the tuner over here this weekend and figure something out. What's going on, guys? It is actually the next day. I forgot to record yesterday. I'm trying to get used to this YouTube stuff. But we got the harness a little bit in. We started a little bit late last night. Christian got out late. But I'm going to flip a camera right now. We're going to show you guys what we did so far. It's almost 6 o'clock. Christian should almost be home. But yesterday we got the harness all ran. Oh, flashlight's wrong. Got the harness all ran. Got the computer wires here. Everything else is over there on the bottom. I got the ECU sitting here. Hopefully we can get everything worked out today and get the car started this weekend. Hopefully we can get the tuner over here. We just have to drop the steering column and run the steering column over the harness, and then plug everything up pretty much. Get all the grounds put in, the bolts, mount up the fuse box, get the car ready, and hopefully it all works out. What's going on, guys? It's been a few days again. We all just been kind of busy doing our own thing. But the whole harness is back in the car, and we're going to update you guys right now, and hopefully we'll post this video out pretty soon. All right, let me open the door real quick. So we got a new cluster in. We got all the harness ran back over the column like it should be. Everything's all ready to go. We got the ECU connectors over there. It's kind of dark, but everything's ran the way it should. We took a lot of stuff out that we know we're not going to need, because really this is not going to really see the street that much. Well, maybe it will, but who knows. So we're just going to wait for Anthony to come back, and he's going to come over here and help me up with a little bit of wiring, because the harness was missing a little bit of plugs that we didn't know, but it's all good. We got all the fuel pumps over there, everything. The car's going to be ready pretty soon here, so hopefully we'll post another video up pretty soon with the first start. There's a little update. The car literally just kind of sits here in the garage. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Show your mom, show your dad, your grandma. I don't know. Try to get some subscribers on the channel, because this car's about to be out pretty soon. IFO's in 2 weeks. And it's looking a little close. But hopefully we make it. If not, we got a trailer. We might take it out there just in case, so people can start seeing it, because it's clean. We're looking forward to it, so let's see what happens. See you in the next one.